Our super subscribers, today we are going to talk more about the TikTok application and we will show you how to check all profile views on TikTok app. So let's go to this application, to our profile page and tap on the eye icon at the top bar of the screen. Yes, if this profile views option isn't already activated, let's choose the turn on button. Wait a minute, please. Yes, as you can see, we cannot to check the profile view history. It's because the TikTok app hasn't gathered all the information yet and needs more time. So please let's check this data later. But we hope that this video was useful for you and we hope that you will subscribe to our TikTok and YouTube channel. Have a good time, have a good day, guys. Goodbye, bye bye.